Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. National Commission for Women Chairperson V.K. Rahatkar expresses concern on rising incidents of crimes against women in Meghalaya, directs state police to initiate proactive steps to curb it. United Democratic Party unanimously appoints Tito Starwell Khan as its new General Secretary, Khan to prioritize strengthening the party. Community and Rural Development Minister A.T. Mondal inaugurates traditional market at Bhoirimbong. 66 shopkeepers stand to benefit from the initiative. And West Janta Hills District celebrates 4th National Javelin Day with great enthusiasm, showcasing the talent and dedication of the young athletes. The news in detail. National Commission for Women Chairperson Vijaya Kishore Rahatkar has raised serious concern over the rising incidents of crimes against women in Meghalaya. Rahatkar chaired a review meeting with the State Chief Secretary Donald P. Walang DGP Srimati Idashisha Nongrang in the presence of senior government officials and police officers today. Expressing her concern, she said the police has assured her they are making every effort to curb such crimes. She further informed that she had urged the Chief Secretary to ensure that women in the state fully benefit from the various government welfare schemes. She also attended a program on artificial intelligence at the National Law University.
जो हमने चीफ सेक्रेटरी के साथ जो मीटिंग करी है उसमें हमने अनेक विषयों पर हमने चर्चा करी। विशेष रूप से जो महिलाओं को बेनिफिट देने वाली जो योजनाएं हैं, आज मैंने उसका ब्यौरा दिया है कि वो योजनाएं किस तरीके से यहाँ पर चल रही है। उसी के साथ साथ कुछ एक्ट के बारे में भी आज मैंने जानकारी ली है, जैसे कि पॉक्सो एक्ट है, उसी के साथ साथ पॉश है, सेक्सुअल हैरासमेंट एट वर्क प्लेस का कानून है, इसके साथ साथ डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस का कानून है, उसमें से प्रोटेक्शन ऑफिसर की नियुक्ति है। ऐसे अनेक विषयों पर आज हमने यहाँ पे चर्चा करी है।
The United Democratic Party Central Executive Committee today unanimously appointed party working president Tito Starwell Khan as the new General Secretary. The post had been lying vacant since the resignation of former General Secretary Jemino Mauto. Speaking to reporters, UDP President Medbat Lingdo said that the CEC members in complete agreement endorsed Khan's appointment. Meanwhile, Khan said his immediate priority would be to strengthen the party, noting that its functioning had faced setbacks in recent months following Mauto's resignation. UDP new General Secretary Tito Star Khan well.
Continue lagi menang beteng ya pada tahun pengujian sekretari sama keladan dan jingko hati bagi biar menaik kita lihat hadir jing desain no jong jelas sekretari berunjuk ba Jemino Mauto.
Community and Rural Development Minister A.T. Mondal today formally inaugurated a newly constructed traditional market at Lomdat Kla, Bhoirimbong. This market, developed by the government, aims to uplift the local economy by providing proper infrastructure and a dedicated space for small-scale vendors to carry out their businesses. The market comprises 66 shop stalls and was constructed with a budget of 5 crore rupees, sanctioned by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and RD Minister A.T. Mondal.
And today I am very happy that I am standing here in front of you with immense pleasure to mark a significant milestone in the development of this successful completion and inauguration of this traditional market at Bhoirimbong.
As part of an effort to support local farmers and promote sustainable agricultural practices, the Office of the MSRLS Eastern West Khasi Hills District, in collaboration with the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, today inaugurated the Natural Farming Vegetables Outlet at the premises of the DC's office in Mausawa. The initiative aims to set an example for farmers by encouraging the cultivation of vegetables and crops without the use of chemical fertilizers or pesticides, adopting natural farming methods instead. The produce sold at the outlet is grown by various self-help groups using only organic manure and resources derived from nature.
Batru kabakongsan in sapriang yang kataka kubo siki paralog kibayat trailang kiparalog para George ni kanang bakinduk one man ka Friday kinduk tiajur nang ni.
West Khasi Hills District Village Employment Council Association led by MLA R.G. Momin today pitched for the timely release of 100-day wage payments from the centre. He highlighted that the material bill payments have been pending for years, with dues in the district crossing 23 crore rupees, crippling vendors' ability to supply goods for village projects. The minister clarified that the delay stems from late fund releases by the central government, not the state.
Mentala jan laisnem bersausnem, nadu usnem arjar puar arpulai arsan, ban menta arsan atun riu, kala pending kabil naga menta kabai titia jong kamis pasni, ringkat bat ka pisah jong skill bat kisimi skill, tangga ke distrik jongi kala apoy hadu arpulai kurur, ngerum kulai laktap. Hakaba kalau wanra gacing kalau crown yaki vendor yaki senong ditau ban pentulun seprang ini gakam.
The Hills Farmer Union met a chief executive member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Shembor Langrinja, to demand an immediate end to practice of odd kilo or arbitrary deduction in the weight of agricultural produce. Speaking to the media after the meeting, HFU President Commander Shangpliang expressed disappointment over the outcome of the discussion, stating that the issue remains unresolved. He criticized the ongoing blame game between the state government and the KHADC, with FACE accusing the other of responsibility. He strongly urged the authority to stop politicizing the matter, stressing that it concerns the very livelihood and survival of farmers.
Tementa nakleng ke council CEM mulai tu ingi ba yakini ki rules kita ki kendon lada pak syaka government na kabenta banyo ke jing menjur na ulat tementa kini ki kendon an ki don ha ka DCA department district council affair te ngila ong yau CEM ba un penstet ikne kam te dakleng ju uru uang ba un saya keren bat kasorkar ba kan penstet no ban pak syaka governor na kabenta banyo ke jing menjur.
The United People Forum met with Meghalaya Director General of Police, Ida Shisha Nongrang, to raise concerns over the absence of a fire emergency station and a traffic branch in Umsning area. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, UPF Chairman Dr. David Lingdor said the forum had taken up the matter with the DGP, who informed them that the Fire and Emergency Services Department had already conducted an inspection in the area. He added that the Umsning Town Darbar had also expressed readiness to provide land for the proposed fire station. He also highlighted the need for a dedicated traffic branch in Umsning.
Ai kabangi kendo i madam ila ong ni ba ya bidai pat ka fire emergency station hite ila ya keren but lawan OSP lawan leg inspection but nakaliang jong ka Umsning Town Darbar la long ready ban ai ke jaka de hendai kat nu ke jaka bakipan specific pala nya menta renaga.
A 4-day awareness cum training program for the teachers under the PM Poshan scheme concluded today at SMELC Tura. The training held from August 5th to 8, 2025 was conducted block-wise. On the inaugural day, 256 teachers from Dalu block attended the session, followed by 184 teachers from Gambegre block, 227 teachers from Rongram block and 131 schools under the Tura urban block on the respective days. In total, the program successfully reached educators from 798 schools within the Tura Sadar subdivision.
Government of Meghalaya has started two apps. There is one Maxims attendance app and one is Maxims website, Maxims budget website. The teacher basically will have to submit everyday attendance, their attendance report and the midday meal report in Maxims app. So in Maxims.com, the website, the teacher will have to submit their budget every 3 months. So that's why these teachers were, today the Tura urban teachers were trained so that they can submit their budget every 3 months. Every quarter they have to submit, and attendance they have to submit every day with the midday meal report. That is the main objective of the program.
The Southwest Khasi Hills District Swimming Association, or SWKHDBA, has announced that the 7th Annual Swimming Competition 2025 will be held on the 15th August 2025 as part of the celebration for the 78 years of India's independence. President of the SWKHDBA, H.S. Dingdor, said that this competition has become an annual event of the people of Southwest Khasi Hills District, as the association every year celebrated Independence Day through swimming for 7 consecutive years now.
Pengipenong ya kini ka championship jong ka swing jong ni juyo ya ka jong irap na kaliang jong ka office jong DC kat kumjuro na kaliang jong DSO. Di mentar kumju nginyo pan penong biang ya kani ka competition ka swimming competition ka khatan tarik ka badai ka sngi ka bakapang ka sngi Independence Day jong kari India ka jong ni bangin sedang ya ka por kendai beje.
As part of an initiative to promote physical fitness among government employees from various departments, the Mairang Officers Club today organized the first Eastern West Khasi Hills District Inter-Office Futsal Tournament 2025 Mausawa Village. The futsal tournament witnessed enthusiastic participation featuring 25 men's team and 6 women's team from various offices across the district. Deputy Commissioner of Eastern West Khasi Hills District, Anita Kharpor, highlighted that such initiatives play a vital role in maintaining both physical and mental fitness and conveyed her best wishes to all the participating teams.
Nilai compromise ka jengkot jengkia ro. Andai habadon kum kini ki tournaments ka ailat yangi ban regenerate ya ka ya ka jengkot jengkia regenerate ya ka energy jungi.
The 4th National Javelin Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm, showcasing the talent and dedication of the young athletes from the West Janta Hills district. This event served as a tribute to Neeraj Chopra's remarkable victory in the men's javelin throw at the 2021 Olympics, a milestone that significantly elevated India's status in the global athletic arena. 23 athletes participated in the competition. This event not only highlights the skills of emerging athletes but also foster a spirit of sportsmanship and community engagement within the district. The weather report. First, let's take a quick look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was recorded at 23 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 28 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 86% and rainfall was recorded at 0.8 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 22 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 86% and rainfall was recorded at 2 millimeter. Meanwhile, in July, minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 23 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 87%. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Juai says heavy rain and thunder showers likely to occur at most places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. National Commission for Women Chairperson V.K. Rahatkar expresses concern on rising incidents of crimes against women in Meghalaya, directs state police to initiate proactive steps to curb it. United Democratic Party unanimously appoints Tito Well Khan as its new General Secretary, Khan to prioritize strengthening the party. Community and Rural Development Minister A.T. Mondal inaugurates traditional market at Bhoirimbong. 66 shopkeepers stands to benefit from the initiative. And West Janta Hills District celebrates 4th National Javelin Day with great enthusiasm, showcasing the talent and dedication of young athletes. From our newsroom this evening, we will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, have a good night.